The phone call came at sunrise, shattering the silence in my dreams in one breath. My business, the one I had poured my soul into, was gone. As the news sank in, a strange calm washed over me, not of defeat, but of determination. I stood amidst the wreckage of my ambition, feeling the raw edges of failure, yet within those jagged pieces, I found a spark. My heart whispered a truth I had overlooked in the pursuit of success: resilience is the true currency of life. With each step forward, I learned to rebuild not just a business, but a stronger version of myself. I embraced the power of small victories, the kind that whispered keep going when everything else screamed give up. This journey taught me that wealth isn't always a number in a bank account, it's the courage to start again, the wisdom to learn from what broke you, and the relentless pursuit of a dream reborn. And as I carved out a new path,